I used to read comic books, newspapers, magazines. I'd read anything but it seems like a book. But in the factory, I started reading books. And I can remember turning the pages and turning the pages, and the pages were getting heavier and heavier. And finally I said, you know what, I can write something better than this. So I started to write. And I did that for 13 years. I practiced. Every day I'd go in there and I'd write. Ended up with a manuscript that was 250 pages long after I left the factory. 250-page long manuscript. Next thing to try to do is to get it. Publishers don't want to hear from you unless you're a movie star or unless you've written a book before, unless you're a famous athlete. So I had to enter contests. I entered 2 different contests. One was a company in Boston, Massachusetts called Little Brown. The other was a company in New York City called Random House. Went to work, went back to work, came home one day. There was a letter on the table from Little Brown. I was a nervous wreck. If I won this contest, they'd publish my book and give me $4,000. I tore the envelope open, my hands were shaking. I started reading. It said, "Dear Christopher Curtis, thank you very much for entering our contest. Thank you for sending us to Watkins Go to Birmingham." And then it said, "You have lost." It said, "You have lost." It said, "You lost." And that hurt my feelings. If that was okay, I had that other contest. I went back to work, came home one day, there was a message on the answering machine. It was a woman with a really friendly, happy, cheery voice, and she said, "Hi, my name is Wendy Lamb. I'm an editor at Random House in New York City. We got your manuscript to Watkins Go to Birmingham. Thank you for entering our contest." And then she said, "You have lost." She said, "You lost." That hurt my feelings. Then she said, "But we like your story so much, we're going to publish it anyway." This caused so much celebrating in my house. You know what we did? We did something better than party. We went to Red Lobster for dinner. We blew the budget. Because I know once you publish a book, you're not quite a millionaire, but you're filthy rich. I don't know if any of you, I got here after you, but if you looked out front, did you see there was a brand new 2018 ML30 Sports Mercedes-Benz sports utility vehicle, black with a green leather interior, 12-inch CD chain sunroof from front to back, 22-inch chrome rims. Anybody see that out there?
No, I want to see it.
It's not mine. It probably belongs to one of your teachers. I got a real surprise when I found out this book would cost, the Watkins Go to Birmingham would cost $15 in the store. How much of that 15 should the person who sat down for a year and wrote it, how much of that 15 should I get?
All of it.
All of it sounds very reasonable. I hope you become a publisher when you grow up. I get $1.50. But
$1 bill.
my publisher explained, well, we paid for the ink, we paid for the paper, we paid for the trucks to take it to the printing press. So that's why I get 10%. The Watkins Go to Birmingham is a story about a family, and it touches on something called segregation. Who can raise their hand and tell me what segregation is? Come here. Oh, stand up. What is it?
Discrimination against a race.
And I'm looking for a word. You got it. Come on, just try it. Come here. Come here. Quick, quick, quick. We don't have much time.
I don't feel like standing up.
Quick, quick.
I'll sit.
Oh, she's got to get dressed. What is your name? Jaden. Nice to meet you. Walk with me, Jaden. Jaden, how did you know that? How did you know that segregation was the separation of the races that was practiced in the southern United States mostly by law? How did you know that? I'm here to try to read. If I ask you a question, it's because I read a lot. How did you know what segregation is?
Because I read a lot.
Very good. Give her a hand, yeah, give her a hand. And sometimes when you read, you lose your place in the book. Sometimes when you read, you lose your place in the book. You know, when I go to a school or a library, and there's somebody, a student,